know your level and everyone is on a different level. Make sure every day you do better than the previous day, and inshallah you're heading in the right direction. But don't let someone come and tell you that you need to do this and you need to do that. Halal and haram is from Allah. If you know, let's give it a bigger takbir than Akhi Ayman. Takbir! Barakallah, mashallah. See? Goes to show, mashallah. My brothers, my sisters, I tell you what's going on. Each one is struggling with his or her faith. I have my own struggles. You have your struggles. Do not allow those who are sitting and watching from afar to make you become despondent to the degree that you feel you're not even a good Muslim. Yet you are becoming better as the days pass. Wallahi, you're doing good. For as long as you know you are becoming better and you are inching closer to Allah, move at a good pace. As you learn, you practice. This evening, there were a few people who said their shahada. And one of the pieces of advice given to them was, don't let people overwhelm you. I want to say this to practicing and non-practicing Muslims. Don't let someone else overwhelm you.